Essential home maintenance for year-round safety and comfort. Homeownership combines joy with responsibility, hinging on regular, proactive maintenance for year-round safety and comfort. This guide suggests seasonal home upkeep. Winter focuses on heating systems, plumbing, and emergency preparedness. Spring requires attention to roofs, gutters, air conditioning, safety detectors, and yard care. Summer is ideal for cleaning decks and inspecting exterior paint, siding, foundations, and windows. Fall involves preparing heating systems, chimneys, insulation, and gardens for cooler times. Prioritizing tasks by season ensures a well-maintained, cozy home throughout the year. Wishing you and your family a happy new year.